Where are your headphones? 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 Stop!
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Apologies for it taking so long. See, I worked really hard the past couple days, making a video for you guys. It was actually a video about this lovely creation. See, we made my bedroom into a playground for Axel, and he loves it. It was an adorable video about our beloved kitty cat. And then I accidentally deleted the footage. There goes like 3 days of my life. Never gonna get that time back. That is why there's been no videos, because I made a video and then I accidentally deleted it. But hey, it's still pretty cool. Axel likes it. He's enjoying his new playground. Today, we're going to the shop, working a bit, and then we're hopefully gonna be driving the drift truck. Not actually driving it under its own power, more like riding in it, but it is still going to move above about 5 miles per hour. Pretty much just gonna flat tow it around the parking lot to see how the suspension feels, see how the steering feels, and see how the brakes work. And just so I can sit in that thing and drive it. I miss it a lot. So, let's get to the shop. Yes, that is a sword. Yes, it is from Lord of the Rings. Also, I didn't have any coffee yesterday, so the headache is really bad, so excuse my tiredness. I'm fighting through it. I need to stop drinking so much caffeine. Before we flat tow the truck around, I need to go ahead and do a little bit more welding on the shock towers. I also have to fix the wheel bearings. You guys made it abundantly clear that I did the wheel bearings wrong on the truck, so I'll fix that. Pretty much this nut in here is supposed to be torqued like 5 foot-pounds, and I went ahead and yeeted it on with an impact on its highest level, so definitely more than 5 foot-pounds right now. This is a real seat. This is how low my Miata used to be. I think it has so much front. Oh, damn.
That's not full wheel, that's just so it grips.
Does it have a wheelie bar?
Yeah.
That's amazing. You have to do a burnout. Oh God, I'm gonna die! Oh shit.
Oh jeez, I rarely ever have that happen.
Oh yeah. I'm too entertained by the fake car to work on the real car. That thing's awesome. You have a second car preparing for combat. We're doing a quick drag race here. I want to see a dig. Oh, they both have wheelie bars? Shit, dude.
Yeah, mine's pink.
This is crazy.
Mine's pink.
Oh man, the burnout! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Someone doesn't go straight. Go! Oh! Oh! Why are we doing this? I'm supposed to be working on a truck. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was like dead even. 2, 1, go! Oh shit! Ah! Ah! Well, Brody won. They crashed into each other. I forgot how small this truck is. Like, that's a Explorer essentially, and it towers over this thing. It looks tiny out here. God, I'm so excited. I want to actually drive this thing instead of tow it around a parking lot, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? brakes work.
Yeah, that's probably important.
Hey.
And it moves. And it moves. And they've disappeared somewhere. I have no clue. And they have completed the maiden voyage. What do you have to say for yourself about that?
You know, my truck did not feel as bad as I thought it was gonna with blown shocks.
Would you recommend him as your tow truck driver?
Sure, it was pretty good. I don't really know what the point of that was, but it was fun. I will say, this truck, it rides really stiff right now. It's like a good stiff, it wasn't unpleasant, but definitely stiff. It's nice, it's gonna be good. The steering felt really great. The brakes worked, so that's good. Everything was working. Obviously this isn't really a good test, but we got to drive it around a little bit, pull it around a little bit. Looks good though. Do you like it?
It's alright.
What? What? Only alright? What? Yes, those look really good.
Yeah. Equipped 40s would be
Yeah, something like that. I want to make it like a really classy truck. Everything is still in one piece. It's been a while since I've Miata squatted anywhere with anyone. All my friends of Miatas broke their Miata, sold their Miata, or yeah, that's it. Fast, slow, turbo, no turbo. Not stance boy, stance boy. Which was supposed to be a compliment. I don't like my headlights anymore. I really miss the way the front end looks without having your headlights popped up. I really miss that. I think I might go back to pop-ups. Also, Brody, what are you doing?
I realized you were in it.
That's a cool picture of the ground.
Wow, got him. I'm not gonna go back to those pop-ups though. I'm gonna get what is happening. I want to get like, well, you'll see if I ever get them.
Hey y'all, it's Gingium here.
Bye.
So I can get my truck. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for helping me drive my truck.
Yeah.
They made me repeat a joke.
Two-step isn't cool when it doesn't make loud noises. It just kind of sounds dumb.
Caleb, it scares me.
Sorry.
Ow, I just smacked the throat.
That was really bad. Did you actually just smack your face into the camera? Audrey! I told you I was gonna watch it.
I like the way you work it. No diggity, about to bag it up. Hey-o, 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 hey-o. Damn, that girl looks good.
Stop singing!
I think I left my sunglasses at B-dubs.
Yes! Yes!
No, they were the last ones in those colors.
They are the ugliest sunglasses.
I love them
I
so
hate them so much. She lost them. Yes.
I didn't lose them. I know exactly where they are. I'm so angry.
You don't have them anymore. Damn! 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 Axel! Axel! Yes! Oh! Oh boy! Please don't fall, kitty. Good.
Robbing himself because I'm touching him.
It's kind of adorable. Alright, Axel. Axel, you ready? Axel. Cookie. Yeah. See, he loves it. And then he gets up there and he's like, what? It's just a chili. It's so adorable having a cat just chill above you. That's it for today, guys. I know we didn't get anything done on the drift truck, but right now we are waiting on the transmission conversion kit before we can do anything, because we need that to mount the motor, and we need to mount the motor. That's next step. It's been a week and I haven't heard anything from the company that I bought the kit, so I don't really know what's going on. This is what rejection looks like.
Hey, give me a kiss.
He's not digging what you're doing to him. Oh, that poor cat. I really miss days like this. Just hanging out with friends, doing car stuff together. It's nice. It's a good change from just doing build stuff every single day. I want to start branching out as much as I possibly can while still doing automotive stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike.
Don't forget to hit the notification button up in the corner next to the subscribe button.
It's not up in the corner, it's actually down. Yeah, you have to hit the notification bell like twice now. If you only hit it once, you only get occasional notifications. If you hit it 2 times, then you always get notifications. So do that if you want to get notifications. If you don't want to, then that's fine. You don't have to. Alright, I'm going to stop talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.